guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in Seongsu-dong, or as the locals call this area, Brooklyn of Seoul. This area used to be Seoul's industrial hub, but now it's transferred to lively neighborhood full of cafes, restaurants, art galleries and trendy boutiques. And there are also lots of pop-up stores. The big brands, they usually open their new stores, pop-up stores here to attract more customers. So this area is quite trendy. Seoul started preparing early for Christmas. Check out this incredible holiday setup. It's basically the Dior store in full festive mode. Totally worth stopping for a quick photo. This area looks really modern and nice, and you can't really tell that once it was industrial. And as I know, there used to be lots of shoe factories in this area, but nowadays they all gone. There is also a nice park, and actually autumn is really beautiful in Seoul. Trees get so colorful. There are many pop-up stores. Clothing stores, perfume stores, cosmetic stores. All of them are packed with the people.
Kim Kardashian.
Kim Kardashian?
Yeah, Kim Kardashian.
Ah, I see. I never knew that. Kim Kardashian's brand. Skims? I see. Oh, it looks nice with the rooftop. Nice cafe. But we already had coffee. So today we are going to taste rice bowl with meat and some side dishes. I think the restaurant is somewhere here, maybe over there. I should check it on the map. Hekbap soup.
What?
Hekbap.
밥
Yeah.
없어.
Hekbap.
틀렸어.
Let's go. Oh, here we have hekbap. Guys, now we are going to order. For me, I want gogi dumbap. This one. Yeah. How about you? 여기요. 감사합니다. It looks delicious. It's salmon. some side dishes like tteok, which is a rice cake, some cabbage salad, dipping sauce, pickled radish, and kimchi. Looks appetizing. Okay. 감사합니다. That also looks quite delicious. It's meat and rice, some vegetables, and same side dishes. Nice. And the meat is so tender. Okay, let's have it. You wanna try this? How is it? Better? Wow guys, it's really delicious. Yeah, it's a Japanese style rice bowl, and actually there are many Japanese places in Seoul. One of the reasons why I want to go to Japan is to taste original ramen. If you are in Seoul, in this area, I recommend this place. They have the variety of bowls, so yeah. 안녕하세요. Actually, lots of restaurants in Korea are on second floor, or third floor, or fourth floor even. So when you want to find a restaurant and you found it on the map but don't see this restaurant in that area, then you might look up and you will see a sign on the second floor. Cute stuff here. Sure.
Bit.
Bit.
Yeah.
So today it was.
Not that bad, but I mean, I'm not good for winter time.
Yeah. I also don't like winter. But what to do? Winter is coming.
Yeah.
And Korean winter is really
Harsh.
harsh. Yeah. I remember in Seoul minus 20.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that's crazy, but I remember. It got even more crowded now, right? Well, it's Sunday evening. It's warm here.
Yeah.
Look at those coffees.
넘치고 넘치는 데가 저런 데잖아.
Actually, they are forgetting to take back their drinks. We go underground to see socks. There are lots of socks. Oh my god. This is underground. And full of socks and stockings. Wow.
There is no price.
Here are the prices. Look. What is that? Is it a cafe? Tambourine.
It's cosmetic brand.
Hmm.
Here is famous BTS.
Because of BTS? Ah, this guy? Yeah, I don't know them actually. So, but one of the reasons Korea is so popular these days is BTS. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and see you later. Bye.